Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to work on la práctica con el verbo querer. I'm in your OneNote, chapter 3, on the querer practice page. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and make the page big. So at the top of the first page, there's the information that you need as far as notes. There's a small querer chart, right? Yo quiero, tú quieres, él quiere, nosotros queremos, ellos quieren. Remember, this is a boot verb, so everything inside the boot takes the stem change from E to IE. I'm going to write that down here just to remind you. E to IE. Now, we talked about this. You can have querer plus an item to say that you want something. Example, the man is saying, Yo quiero un helado. Yo quiero un helado. Helado is an item that he wants. Okay. Below that, we can do querer plus an action, which means an infinitive verb. Hector quiere montar en bicicleta. So Hector doesn't want a thing, he wants to do an action. Hector quiere montar en bicicleta. So what are the instructions for the homework? Oh, this is really classwork. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of the verb querer on the green line, and then the item or action indicated by the picture on the blue line. Follow the model. Well, we're going to do the model right now. So, modelo, mi madre. So on the green line, I need the correct form of querer. So on the first line, right, green, I'm going to go up and look at the chart. How many people is mi madre? One person. Okay, so remember, one, two or more. Okay, so it should be quiere. Now the blue line is going to be completed with whatever that is in the picture. So this happens to be an item, and that is from our vocab, la hamburguesa from chapter 2. Hamburguesa. Yes, you should be writing it in Spanish. And yes, at this point, you should be able to spell it correctly. La hamburguesa. All right, I'll complete number 1 with you as well. Let's see if we can do that one. So, to blank blank. Okay, this is a question. So what's the right form of querer to match to? Go up and look at the chart above, and on the green line, it should be quieres. That's the form that matches to. Now on the blue line, this is not a thing, this is an action. What is the little boy doing? Cantar, hablar, jugar. None of those. That's right. Nadar. Okay. So the model, my mom wants a hamburger. Number 1, ¿tú quieres nadar? Do you want to swim? Okay, so you need to complete dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Let's go up again. Sorry. You need to complete dos, tres, cuatro, y cinco. Okay, muy bien. Now let's look at the other side. Now we're going to apply it. That was practice. Here's the application. ¿Qué tú quieres en la canasta? Easter is coming. If you could have anything you wanted for Easter, what would you want in your Easter basket? Except it has to fit in the basket. So please don't ask for a horse because the horse isn't going to fit in the Easter basket. Draw the item in the basket and write at least 3 sentences in Spanish to tell me what 3 things you want. Okay, so just a reminder, these are going to start with yo, right? And then the verb querer to match yo, and then your item. What if you don't know the name of the item you want? Well, this is one time that I will allow you to look it up, but please look it up using SpanishDictionary.com. Don't use Google. Google's mainly wrong. Okay, SpanishDictionary.com. But if you look up a word, you should learn that word and use it in your regular speech. Okay, so 3 of those on the rosado, 3 pink ones. And then it says, ¿Qué actividades tú quieres hacer? COVID-19 is restricting our activities. If COVID-19 was no longer an issue, what would you want to do? You only have $500 to spend on the activities. Write at least 3 sentences in Spanish telling me what you want to do. Okay, so here you have to be careful because now we're not talking about items, we're talking about activities. So think it has to be the infinitive verb. Okay. I like to travel, but I couldn't do that under $500. So I would have to maybe drive to the beach. So I would like to go to the beach. So I would probably say, Yo quiero ir a la playa. How much would it cost? I'd have to figure that out. Okay, and the amount, there's your $500, and you have to make sure you don't go over, and you put the price in here. Maybe what you wanna do is just, visit family members, and maybe there is no cost involved, so just write a 0. Okay, that's the activities for hoy, for today, practicing querer. Gracias.